Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a topic that concerns both men and women, a crucial aspect of our health, testosterone. It plays a significant role in maintaining our well-being, both physically and mentally. In this video, we'll explore 5 halal ways to naturally boost testosterone levels. These methods are simple, effective, and align with our Islamic principles. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started on this journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. 1. The power of nutrition. One of the most fundamental ways to boost testosterone is through a balanced and wholesome diet. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of moderation in all aspects of life, including food. Opt for nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. Incorporate foods rich in zinc such as nuts, seeds, and legumes, as this essential mineral is closely linked to testosterone production. Remember to avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, as they can negatively impact hormone levels. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Sprinkle your food with olive oil and eat both the olive oil and the bread, and throw away the empty container." This emphasizes the benefits of incorporating nutrient-dense foods into our diet. 2. Regular physical activity. Engaging in regular physical activity is not only beneficial for your overall health, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal testosterone levels. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encouraged physical fitness, and Islam promotes a balanced and active lifestyle. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine. Even a brisk walk or a short home workout can make a significant difference. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, and remember to include activities you enjoy to stay consistent. In Hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "A strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than a weak believer, while there is good in both." Sahih Muslim. 3. Sufficient sleep and rest. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to underestimate the importance of quality sleep. However, our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, highlighted the significance of a good night's rest. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance, including testosterone production. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Create a bedtime routine, avoid electronic devices before sleep, and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and conducive to rest. Additionally, don't forget the importance of rest days in your workout routine. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild, contributing to overall hormonal health. The Prophet, peace be upon him, himself emphasized the value of sufficient sleep. In a hadith, he said, "Take a short nap, for devils do not take naps." Sahih Muslim. Ensure 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, following the sunnah of the Prophet, who slept early and woke up before dawn. 4. Stress management and relaxation. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah assures us, "Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear." Stress is a silent enemy that can significantly impact testosterone levels. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, sought refuge in prayer during times of stress, teaching us the importance of turning to Allah in challenging moments. Practice mindfulness, engage in regular prayers, and incorporate stress relief techniques such as deep breathing and meditation into your daily routine. These practices not only alleviate stress, but also contribute to hormonal balance. Remember, a calm mind fosters a healthy body. 5. Hydration and sun exposure. Water is the essence of life, and staying hydrated is vital for overall health, including hormonal balance. The Prophet, peace be upon him, emphasized the benefits of consuming water and maintaining moderation in all aspects of life. Aim to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day, as dehydration can negatively impact testosterone levels. Additionally, spend some time outdoors to benefit from natural sunlight. Vitamin D synthesized through sun exposure is closely linked to testosterone production. Combine outdoor activities with the remembrance of Allah, such as walking while reciting Quranic verses or engaging in dhikr. In conclusion, dear brothers and sisters, these halal ways to boost testosterone are not only aligned with our Islamic principles, but also promote a holistic approach to health. By incorporating a balanced diet, regular physical activity, sufficient sleep, stress management, and proper hydration, you are not only enhancing your testosterone levels, but also fostering overall well-being. Remember, these changes don't happen overnight. Consistency is key. May Allah grant us the strength and wisdom to prioritize our health and live a life in accordance with His guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, may peace and blessings be upon you all. Wa alaikum assalam.